Welcome to our channel. In this session, we will discuss how to solve this recurrence relation by using substitution method. So the equation is T of n is equal to T of n by 2 plus some constant. If n greater than 1 means if the number of elements is greater than 1, the time complexity for solving the problem with n elements T of n is equal to T of n by 2 plus some constant. Suppose if the number of elements is equal to 1, simply the constant is 1. This is mainly applicable in recursive functions. So this is the recurrence relation. Now we will solve. Before solving, just I am writing some statements. T of n is equal to T of n by 2 plus c. Suppose if I am calculating T of n by 2. Now what happens? Simply n is replaced with n by 2. Yes. So T of n by 4 plus c. Suppose if I am calculating T of n by 4. Here n is replaced with n by 4. T of n by 4 into 2, 8 plus c. Suppose T of n by 8. T of n by 16 plus c, like this. So here I am not solving the recurrence relation, just in my assumption. If the number of elements is n by 2, n by 2, n by 4. Now I am solving the equation step by step. Observe, T of n is equal to T of n by 2 plus c. Now this T of n by 2 is replaced with their equation. I think you got it. For that replacement, instead of avoid confusion, first I written this one. Now T of n by 2 is replaced with this one. So T of n by 4 plus c. Already we have a c. Now this T of n by 4 is replaced with this equation. So T of n by 8 plus c. Already we have 2 c's. And T of n by 8. This is replaced with this one. T of n by 16 plus c. Plus already I have 3 c's. Now so on. If you observe the pattern while solving the recurrence relation, what is the main important thing? You need to stop the problem at n is equal to 1. That means T of 1. That means this is 1. Now here I am writing T of n by 2 power 4. This is written like this. T of n by 2 power 4 plus 4c. If you observe, T of n by 2 cube plus 3c. N by 2 square plus 2c. N by 2 power 1 plus 1c. Like this. If I am repeating for k number of times, T of n by 2 power k plus kc. This is the equation. You got it? I am dividing up to k times. Here what is my final agenda? This value is 1. Why? This is the base condition. Then only we can stop the recurrence relation. Now when this value is equal to 1, I am assuming n is equal to 2 power k. So T of 2 power k, n by n. N by n means the value 1 plus k. Is k is present in the answer? No. My answer is in terms of n only. That is the number of elements only. From this equation, what is the value of k? Obviously k is equal to log n. Log n into c. So what is the value of T of 1? That is n is equal to 1. 1 plus log n into c. If you are representing in big O notation, if you are multiplying with any constant, no need. If you are doing addition, no problem. What is the final time complexity? Big O of log n. This is the complexity for this recurrence relation. Think clear?